You're watching Gaston Network. We're very sorry to interrupt you, but we do really have some bad news from Buckingham Palace. It has been confirmed that Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II has passed away at age of 96. The Queen, who was the head of the British monarchy for more than 70 years, passed away earlier this evening at Balmoor Hospital at 2:30 p.m. We're so sorry for your cooperation due to these sorrowful times. But the schedules for today remains changed for the light of the announcement from Buckingham Palace.